Here's how you can remove a vehicle from the Uber driver app. First, open your web browser and search for the official Uber help page for removing a vehicle. Sign in to the Uber account associated with the vehicle you want to remove. Once you're signed in, open the Vehicle Management or Vehicle Removal section. Depending on your account and current Uber interface, the exact options may be different. Look for an option such as Remove Vehicle or Delete Vehicle, then select it to continue. Next, choose the vehicle you want to remove from your Uber account. Review the vehicle details carefully to make sure you're removing the correct one. After selecting the vehicle, follow the instructions shown on the page and confirm the removal when prompted. Once the request is submitted, the vehicle should no longer be associated with your account after Uber processes the change. If you don't see an option to remove the vehicle, your account or region may require you to contact Uber support instead. In that case, use the help section while signed in and submit a request explaining that you want to remove a vehicle from your driver account. That's all for this video. Thanks.